Welcome to CAMFive EMB. My name is Caroline and I have a question for you. Are you as excited as we are about the epic conclusion of the Jurassic era with this 2022 Jurassic World movie? Then join me.
The first thing you will need to get is an Explorer hat and some stabilizer. Let's move on to the program. Starting as always at WILCOM, insert the file. Then lock the layer on the right panel. Select the TATAMI thread. We are going to trace the outer line first and, before tracing the dinosaur on your keyboard, click 2 times Intro. Keep tracing the dinosaur. Once you finish, click 3 times on the intro and automatically it will be filled. Trace the outline and close the vector. I don't have this same font installed on my computer, but that won't stop us. Let me give you a quick tip for fonts on WILCOM. When you install a font, you have to save your work and close the program. Then open WILCOM again to see the new font visible. This action is to give the program a refresh. If you don't do this, the font will not appear. Now insert the lettering selecting our new installed font. Place it on top of the tatami fill. Fix details and order your jump threads. Place 3 layers of stabilizer under the hat. To place the hat, hold the stabilizer with the fabric and open the forceps. Adjust the hat just in the middle part, or where you are intended to place your design. These kind of hats are not suitable for the standard cap frame, and since we are using a stretch fabric, we are going to use the clip frame for this embroidery. We recommend you to see our video about how to clip a cap correctly. Move on to the LCD control panel touchscreen. Select the thread colors to your design. Then select the right frame and save it. The embroidery speed will remain as presets. And press start the embroidery. These fandom projects are highly profitable and easy to make. Will you give it a try? Tell us in the comment section below.
Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you think about this project we made for you. We hope it has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time.